Hello. My name is Hazel. I am 21 years old. I live in New York City. My life is simple, but it is full of love, dreams, and learning. I want to share my story with you. It is about my family, friends, hobbies, dreams, and challenges. I hope you enjoy reading it. I live with my family. My family is small and close. I have my mother, my father, and my younger brother. My mom's name is Sarah. She is very kind and works in a hospital. She helps sick people. I am proud of her. My dad's name is David. He works in an office. He is very smart and likes to read books. My brother's name is Liam. He is 16 years old. Liam is funny, but he plays video games too much. We live in an apartment. It is not big, but it is nice. We have a small living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. I have my own room. My room has a bed, a desk, and a bookshelf. I like my room because it is quiet. I read and write there. My mom's cooking is the best. She makes pasta, soup, and chicken. We eat dinner together every night. After dinner, we watch TV or talk. Sometimes, we play board games. My favorite game is Monopoly. On Sundays, we go to the park. We walk, talk, and eat ice cream. I love my family. They are my world. I live in New York City. It is very big and busy. There are many people, cars, and tall buildings. Sometimes the city is loud, but I like it. There is always something new to see or do. I live near Central Park. It is my favorite place. The park is green and beautiful. In the summer, I go there to read a book or take a walk. I like to sit on the grass and watch people. Some people run, some ride bikes, and some play with dogs. In the winter, I see people ice skate. The park makes me feel happy and calm. I also like coffee shops. New York has many nice coffee shops. I go there to write in my notebook. I write stories and poems. Sometimes, I meet my friends there. We talk and drink coffee. I also love bookstores. My favorite bookstore is big and has many books. I spend hours there. New York is exciting, but it can be hard too. There is so much to do, and I feel small sometimes. But I love my city. It is my home. I have big dreams. I want to be a writer. I love reading and writing stories. Books are my favorite things. They take me to new worlds. My dream is to write a big novel one day. I want people to read my book and feel happy or inspired. I also want to travel. I want to see the world. I want to go to Paris and see the Eiffel Tower. I want to go to London and see Big Ben. I want to go to Tokyo and see cherry blossoms. Traveling will teach me new things. I want to meet new people and learn about their lives. Another dream is to have a small house. I want it to be cozy with a garden. I want to grow flowers and vegetables. I also want to have a cat. My dreams are big, but I work hard every day to make them come true. Dreams make life beautiful. I have many friends, but my best friend is Mia. Mia is 22 years old. She is kind and funny. She always makes me laugh. We meet every week. We talk about school, life, and dreams. Mia is a good listener. When I feel sad, she helps me. Mia and I like to shop. We go to the mall and look at clothes. Sometimes we buy things, and sometimes we don't. We also eat pizza together. My favorite is cheese pizza, but Mia likes pepperoni. We also like movies. Our favorite movie is Frozen. We sing the songs together. Our favorite song is Let It Go. I have other friends too. Some are from school, and some are from my neighborhood. We go to the park or the coffee shop. We play games and talk. My friends are important to me. They make my life fun and happy. I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading. I read every day. I like novels, poems, and stories about magic. My favorite book is Harry Potter. I love the story and the characters. I also like to write. I write stories in my notebook. Sometimes I write about my life. Sometimes I write about new worlds. Writing makes me happy. It is my way to share my feelings. I also write poems. My favorite poem is about the moon. Another hobby is painting. I like to paint flowers and animals. My favorite color is blue, so I use it a lot. I also like music. I listen to songs every day. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. Her songs are beautiful and make me feel good. I also like to walk in the park, watch movies, and bake cookies. Hobbies make my life colorful and fun. Life is not always easy. Sometimes I have challenges. In school, I had trouble with math. It was very hard for me. I studied a lot, but I still made mistakes. My mom helped me. She said, "You can do it, Hazel." Her words made me strong. I worked hard, and I got better. Sometimes I feel scared about the future. I want to do well in life, but I do not know what will happen. When I feel scared, I talk to Mia. She listens to me and helps me feel better. Another challenge is time. I have many things to do, but I do not have enough time. I want to read, write, and paint, but I also have work and chores. I try to plan my time, but it is hard. Challenges are hard, but they teach me. They make me strong and brave. I learn something new every time. Every day is different, but I will tell you about a normal day. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I eat breakfast with my family. I like toast and orange juice. After breakfast, I go for a walk in the park. The park is quiet in the morning. I like to hear the birds sing. After my walk, I go to a coffee shop. I write in my notebook. I feel calm and happy when I write. In the afternoon, I meet Mia. We shop, eat, or watch a movie. We laugh a lot. Mia makes every day special. In the evening, I go home. I eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I read a book or paint. Sometimes, I write poems. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I dream about my future and my adventures. I have many happy memories. One memory is my 18th birthday. My family had a big party for me. We ate cake, danced, and took pictures. My mom gave me a necklace. I wear it every day. It is very special to me. Another memory is my first trip to the beach. The water was blue, and the sand was warm. I collected shells and made a sand castle. I also swam in the water. It was a perfect day. I also remember my first story. I wrote it when I was 10 years old. It was about a girl and her magical cat. My teacher read it and said, "Good job, Hazel." I felt very proud. My memories are like little treasures. They make me smile when I think about them.